How much should you invest in crypto as a beginner? Are you thinking about diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency, but feeling unsure how much to invest as a beginner? Don't worry, you're not alone. Millions of people are curious about crypto, and it's completely normal to feel overwhelmed before taking the first step. In this beginner-friendly guide, we'll explain everything you need to know about how much to invest in crypto and how to do it safely and smartly. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to set boundaries for your investments, approach the crypto market with confidence, and avoid unnecessary risks. So let's get started on this journey together. First things first, cryptocurrency is an exciting but unpredictable type of investment. Unlike traditional assets like stocks or real estate, crypto can change value drastically in a matter of hours. What makes it thrilling can also make it intimidating. But here's the good news. Starting small and understanding the basics can help you reduce risks and gain confidence. As a beginner, your priority is learning the ropes of how crypto works, not trying to make huge profits right away. Investing in crypto isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a new way to grow your assets over time while embracing the challenges and opportunities of modern technology. But how do you even decide how much to invest? Let's dive into the best practices for managing your first crypto investment. Rule number 1 when it comes to crypto investing: only invest money you can afford to lose. Why? Because crypto markets are highly volatile. A coin can double in value or drop to nearly zero within days. This doesn't mean you should avoid crypto altogether. Far from it. Starting small allows you to dip your toes in the water without risking your financial security. For most beginners, this might mean investing just a small percentage of your portfolio, somewhere between 1% and 5%. This way, you can enjoy exploring the crypto space while knowing that your essential living expenses and savings are secure. For example, if you have $10,000 to invest in various assets, you might begin your crypto journey by allocating just $100, $500 toward digital currencies. It's enough to gain meaningful experience while staying safe financially. Before investing even a single dollar, take a moment to evaluate your financial situation. Ask yourself, do I have an emergency savings fund in place? Have I paid off high-interest debts like credit cards? Do I have consistent disposable income that I can comfortably invest? Answering these questions will help you determine whether you're ready to enter the world of crypto. Remember, investing isn't just about how much money you have, it's also about how stable your financial life is. If your finances are in order, you'll be better equipped to handle the ups and downs of crypto investing. Why are you interested in investing in crypto? Are you looking for long-term growth, or do you want to make quick profits? Understanding your goals can shape your investment strategy. If you're focused on long-term growth, you might allocate funds to well-established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. These are often viewed as more stable investments compared to smaller, newer coins. If you're open to higher risks for potentially higher returns, you could experiment with altcoins or newer projects. However, be prepared for the possibility of losing your initial investment. At the same time, think about your personal risk tolerance. Are you someone who stays calm during market dips or someone who panics? Knowing your comfort level with risk will help guide smart decision-making. As a beginner, it's tempting to look at the buzziest new tokens that claim to offer 10x returns overnight. Don't fall into this trap. While those opportunities might sound exciting, they often come with extreme risks. Instead, stick to established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH. These are often referred to as the blue chips of the crypto world. While no investment is risk-free, these coins have a longer track record and tend to be less volatile than smaller altcoins. Why is starting with these coins a smart move? They're widely recognized, easy to research, and often supported on beginner-friendly platforms. Over time, as you gain confidence and experience in the crypto market, you can explore lesser-known coins if they align with your goals. Once you've decided to begin investing, it's important to budget carefully for it. You can take one of two approaches. One-time investment. Start with a single amount, for example, $200. Observe how it performs and make adjustments only after learning more. Dollar cost averaging, DCA. Invest a smaller fixed amount, for example, $20 every month, regardless of market fluctuations. This approach spreads your risk over time and avoids timing the market. Pick what feels most comfortable for your budget and schedule. It's better to be consistent and cautious than to dive in with all your money at once. Diversification is not just a fancy finance term. It's a smart practice to protect your investments. Think of it this way. You wouldn't bet all your savings on one stock, so why do it with one cryptocurrency? By spreading your funds across different assets, you reduce the chances of a single failure wiping out your portfolio. For example, if you're investing $500 in total, you could split it across multiple coins. $300 in Bitcoin, $150 in Ethereum, and $50 in a smaller altcoin. Keeping your investments diversified helps balance the unpredictable nature of the crypto market. Your journey begins by picking the right platform for buying crypto. For beginners, it's critical to choose exchanges that are reliable, transparent, and beginner-friendly. Some popular platforms for crypto trading include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Next, decide where to store your investments. You'll need a wallet, a secure location to keep your cryptocurrency. There are two main types. Custodial wallets. Offered by exchanges, they're easy to use but store your assets online. Non-custodial wallets. These give you full control of your assets but require extra responsibility for safekeeping. Research and choose the method that suits your priorities for security and convenience. Once you've invested, it's easy to get glued to price charts. Remember, the crypto market is known for being volatile with frequent ups and downs. Instead of reacting emotionally, focus on tracking your investments at regular intervals. Use trusted resources to stay informed, such as CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, which provide real-time updates on crypto prices and trends. However, avoid impulsive decisions based on fear or excitement. Stick to your goals and strategy. As with any new venture, beginner mistakes are part of the learning curve. Here are a few pitfalls to watch out for. FOMO, fear of missing out. Don't buy into a coin just because everyone is talking about it. Over-leverage. Never borrow money or take on debt to invest. It's not worth the risk. Neglecting research. Always research a cryptocurrency's purpose, team, and reputation before investing. Remember, every stumble is an opportunity to learn. Stay curious, and don't hesitate to revisit your investment strategy as you gain experience. Investing in crypto can feel overwhelming initially, but small, consistent actions can lead to meaningful progress. Trust yourself and embrace the process of learning and growth. Over time, you'll develop confidence in navigating the crypto market and making decisions that align with your goals. Be patient with yourself. Crypto investing isn't about overnight success. It's about building knowledge and habits that will serve you for the long term. Congratulations! You now have a comprehensive plan to start your crypto journey smartly and safely. Remember the golden rules. Invest only what you can afford to lose, diversify your portfolio, use trusted platforms, and stay patient. Crypto investing is not about luck. It's about informed, intentional choices that align with your personal goals. So, start small, stay curious, and let your journey into the exciting world of cryptocurrency begin. Ready to take your first step? Let's explore this innovative market together, and who knows, this could be the start of something incredible for you. Happy investing!